And we'll skip right to 50. Holding 50.
Yeah.
Now see if it moves. Throw!
Don't make it sink, Andrew.
Okay,
Oh, the camera.
Okay, Mandy, it works.
Let's see if it moves.
It is floating. What do you mean? Let's see if it's floating.
Let's see if you can do it.
Andrew, don't mess with it. Don't get it because if water gets in there.
Okay. Now let me read my sheet and see.
Let's see if it can stand big wave. Boom!
Okay. Travel at least 1.5 meters. How long is 1.5 meters?
Who knows, Mandy? It's plenty. That's plenty. It travels plenty far enough.
Wait, let me start down here. And then see if it could travel down here without sinking. Oh shit, like...
Don't make it sink, Mandy.
Is that sinking?
You'll be in trouble.
The water ends right there. It's like a sandbar.
It's fine, Mandy. Works fine.
Hey, we're spinning.
Okay, so
What?
finishing.
Okay, let's stick it out.
50 pennies.
If it travels the whole entire thing without falling.
But this is like...
Now what you should do, Mandy, is okay, now, are you writing down your information you're getting out of this?
No.
Why did it sink?
Yeah, but it didn't think.